Well, let us today discuss about the movement of the water and mineral in plants. So how plants get water and how the water moves inside the plant is a matter of interest. So we, as in our case, to take a bucket full of water from the well, we find it very difficult. But a plant like coconut tree will lift the water to the tip of the leaf at the top of the tree without much effort. So it is an amazing physiology. So let us discuss about this physiological process. In plants, the water movement takes place through two vessels, that is vascular tissues, xylem and phloem. Xylem helps in transportation of water and minerals, while phloem helps in translocation of glucose, the product of photosynthesis. From the ground, the water moves inside the roots by a process called as osmosis. You know what is osmosis? The movement of water molecules from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. So water thus will move, that is capillary water that is present in soil will move inside the xylem by process of osmosis, and then it moves up because of a suction force created by transpiration. So what is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of water vapor from the external parts of the plant, mainly the leaves, through the stomata. As the water vapor escapes from the leaves, a suction force is created in the xylem. Because of that, water gets pulled up, and this is called ascent of sap. So water will move up through the transpirational pull. But at night times, when there is no light or no transpiration is taking place, the upward movement of water may not take place. And in small plants like grasses, there is another physiological process through which water moves up, and that is called root pressure. In root pressure, the water gets accumulated in the root, and this accumulated water will create a upward thrust, and that is how water moves up. So one is because of pulling, another is because of pushing. So this is how water moves in the plants. Then now let us discuss about translocation, that is movement of the photosynthate, the product of photosynthesis, glucose, from leaves to the lower parts of the plants like stem and root. So this movement is not as difficult as the water movement, because here the movement is downward and it has the help of a gravitational force. So the movement of the glucose from leaves to the root is through phloem, is called as a translocation, and glucose is transported in the form of sucrose. So this is how the transportation takes place in